Replace. To take the place of something. She replaced the old lamp with a new one. We need to replace the broken window. The teacher was replaced by a substitute. He replaced the batteries in the remote. The store replaced the damaged product.